welcome. The Cosmic Training Academy. I'm your host, Mr. Cosmic. This is October the 2nd. That's Monday, 2023. We in for 4 contracts on calls of the SPY. Just hit them. Um, just a while here today. I'm not. I only. The strategy behind it is that I see SPY falling. That's it. It's as simple as that. I went a month out. And I'm gonna go ahead and start pointing out some stuff to you guys. I went a month out on the calls. SPY, as you can see right here, 4 options right there. It ain't hard to tell. I paid right now the value is that 2,956. I'm down $20. You're gonna have to have nuts of steel to hold on to this. Depend on your money. Right now I got 3 bands on the line. Um, you know, it's what you do. In life, man, you gotta take chances, you gotta take calculated risks, and you got to really kind of know your game that you in. To me, I truly believe that you gotta go with things that you really love to do, and and things that you have passion about. Otherwise, it's a lackluster life. You know. So here we are, SPYs. We're gonna make it do what it do. I couldn't tell you that if it's gonna move fast or not, or the reality is that it's money on the line. This is in naked calls. Anything could happen. It's crazy. This is one of those times where I really don't even suggest you do these kind of trades right here. But because I'm doing it and I wanted you to see me what I'm doing, I'm recording it. You can see right there. This is a 425 put. I got 4. I bought 4. Y'all see what's going on, man. It's not no real cap, man. It's not no cap for real, for real. It's just simple, man. I just see SPY doing um, lower highs and lower lows. That's all it is. And I see it in the middle of one right now. If I see it, it hasn't broke to the lower low, doing what it normally do. So take for instance, you see right here. Then you see down here, right? Okay, so when it tried to make another high, it didn't even go up. It stopped right there. Then it made a lower low right here. Then it made a lower low. Then it made a lower low and a lower low. And the highs are not getting high enough. It's simple. Now this is a higher high. But by what standard? Maybe higher than the other, maybe higher than this one right here. But then this higher came higher. So it started making you think, might be doing a head and shoulders pattern. But, then it falls. So really, I'm just going by what the patterns say. Shit, on the day, we 2 down. On the week, we 4 down. On the month, we 24 down. 3 months, 17 down. On the year, well, it was 64 up on the year. So we probably only got so far before this shit really switch up and start making a move, going to the upside. This is usually the time when they do it. It'll pull down, boom, 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 and then so everybody gonna be waiting for the up. But I'm just trying to collect me some money on the downside. See if I can get $100 out of them between now and tomorrow. I'm gonna put in a closing order. Really not that big of a deal. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. And so when you do trades like this, you can expect that it's gonna be moving. It's gonna be really crazy. And then it's gonna make real big, violent jumps. So be ready for it. The only thing I have to say with this broker is I never trust their close Mm, hmm. I never trust that they're gonna close me right, so I'm always standing by when it comes down to trades like this for a close. So, um, this is it right here. This is the order. 425 put. I got in at 743. So, really, it's not really, it's just fluctuating back and forth. What you're waiting on is that one major big move, and then that's going to tell you what it's going to do. This is what it's doing, it's deciding. It's bouncing back and forth, it's indecisive right now. It's probably 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Um, I might be honest with you, I just might take some money just to be taking some money because it's going back and forth. $20 up, $20 down, $30 up, $30 down. You know what I'm saying? So I might just peel some money off of this just to take some home for the day, and and just call it. So as you can see right there, I got in at average cost 743. Right now it's 746, 747. We up 16, 20. It might start going in our direction, but like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put in. I don't see the fluctuation that heavy right now. Oh, now it's starting to move. See 40, see 50. So it is moved 60. See, when it moved that hard that way, it can move that hard the other way too. So 60, 64, 72, 760. We at 68, y'all. I'm just gonna show you how we get money today. 72, 76, 84, 88, 96. This is how we get money. That go $100, y'all. I got in at 7.4. Let me see. Hold on. Let me just make sure. 767, 768. Okay, so 768. Look at it's rolling. So when you see it like that, when the market give you money like that, you take it. That's $100 for the day, y'all. I'm gone. Placed. Filled. 770. I'm gone, y'all. Hey, man. That's how we do it, man. That is how we do it. That's how we make $100 in 5 minutes. How long I've been on the phone? 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. That was $100. See, so I don't really know when people be talking what they be saying because, again, it really ain't no cap about this here game right here that we in, man. It's either you in it to win it or you not. There you go. See, so here you go. You order to buy 4 contracts. Man, listen, I don't gotta sell y'all no bullshit, man. Order to buy 4 contracts at $743 per contract, and I bought 4 of them. $743, and I bought 4 of them. That was about $3,000, $2,800, $2,900, $3,000, right? We received your order to close it. At 7, woohoo, your order to sell, you close your contracts. 425 has been filled at $770. So this is how you do the math. If you really want to, if you're trying to figure it out right now, this is how you do it. You do 740 times 4. 28.29. That's how much it cost me to get in that deal. 29.60. 2,960. I'm trying to show y'all how to do this, son. 2,960, right? Now, right here it says what I closed it at. 770. So, if you're wondering, only if you're wondering though. 770 times 4. 0, 8, 2 up there. Am I do this right? 20, 29, 30. So, I think I got that right. 4. Oh, no, I didn't. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. My fault. 32. My fault. Hold on. This is 32. 28, 29, 30, 31. There you go. So that's so 29. Remember I had 29 something, 29.60 or something like that. And then I closed it at 31.20. So that was your hundred and something dollars. 29.60, 3,120. So that's the money. 29.60, 3,120 minus 29.60. 3,120 minus 29.60. I think it was. $160. $160. I caught that bounce. I caught that bankhead bounce, man. 160. I didn't even realize it jumped up when it closed. It closed higher than that. It said 770. So 160. Basically, it's the difference between 43 and 70. So if you do 70 minus 43, which is 10, which is 7, which is 6, which is 27, right? So 27, right? 27 times 4. 27 times 4 is 8. Put the 2 up there. 8, 9, 10. So 104. 108. Yeah, I knew it was close to. I don't know what the math was, but it's $108. That was the profit just now. So I ain't gonna, in the interest of y'all time, that's how you do a naked call. Actually a naked put. So, guys, I'm here to show y'all how to win. You get in and get out, get what the market gives you, know what your fluctuation is, realize that, hey, man, don't try to get it all and don't be greedy. Live to trade another day, man. That's the rule. Stay long and you're staying wrong. You dig what I'm saying? Get in this game to win, man. Don't get in this game to lose. I'm taking $100 in 8 minutes, man. In 8 minutes. So, like I said, man, what a lot of people like, oh, well, you ain't rolling on no $100,000. I don't have to roll a $100,000 account. You know why? Because I live off mine. You know, this is for people who like, you might want to stop working early, man. Get you 10 bands up, man, and come on out here and do a lifestyle adjustment and just live into a different area live a different lifestyle and live in a place where you can afford to live good off of $1,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? 500, 600, 700, $1,000 a month. You can't do that shit in most places, and I'm not knocking. Do whatever you do. I'm just saying, if you really want to quit, you gotta change some things about yourself. You don't get out of life what you want. You get out of life who you become. You know what I'm saying? You become better. A lot of people too lazy to learn a skill. They don't want to get off their ass and learn a skill because they don't see immediate gratification. When they're 6 years in this game, that's why you see me. I could pull $100 down in 8 minutes, less than 10 minutes, doing nothing but talking to y'all on YouTube. It's not that. If people are like, oh, that's easy, it's gamma. Okay, well, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Shit, go ahead and do it. Because the thing is, if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. And that sounds cliche, but that's very true. If it really was that easy, go and do it. And let's just see how long you last. If you ain't never traded before and you think that that's easy, it is easy, maybe, relatively speaking, when you get into the trade. How easy it is for you to have the discipline, though. How easy it is for technical analysis. How easy is understand charts. How long does it take for you to understand how something moves and how you got to do some studying. You got to do some time, put some time in. You know what a call and a put is. What do you know about implied volatility? What do you know about the Greeks? What you know about theta? You know what I'm saying? What do you know about all that rho, theta? What do you know about them? How do they affect you? You know what I'm saying? What's the market doing? What does news do to the market? How is it affecting whatever it is that you trade? So a lot of times, if you see something on the outside that look real easy, you don't realize 30 thoughts have went into one simple move. That's why, even so simple as me putting this trade in, it may look like it was simple. How much time we got in here? Just making sure. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go. But it may have looked to an outside person as it was a real simple trade. But really, I thought about 30 different things before I even went into that trade. Number one, how many contracts am I gonna do? You see, I got 4. Why do I got 4? Because I know what my account can hold, and I know how much I really leverage on my account without putting myself in a real bad situation. 3 bands is a lot. You know what I'm saying? When you're talking about $10,000 account, 3,000 is a lot of money. Usually, most people would never trade a third of their account, never. But because I knew I wasn't gonna stay long, it didn't really matter to me. And generally speaking, you always have a stop loss. You know what I'm saying? To me, the worst case scenario is I would have stopped it wherever it was at, fast. Unless the market just crashed today, then chances are I would have took $100 loss and got out. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna do no ups and downs constantly. So that's that. And then why did I choose the price at 425? Number one, why did I choose SPY? Because I know SPY got high in volatility, a lot of trade, a lot of volume. Why did I choose 425? Because I knew 425 was right there above where it's at, and I knew that any move, if I went too far out of the money, then I'd have been spending too much money for no reason. But if I went too far in the money, then it would took too long to start making a profit. So in other words, if I paid too much for it, I wouldn't have got my money out, and if I paid too little for it, I would have never reached my goal. So these are all kind of thoughts that people think, and then people don't realize. Wait a minute, that wasn't for tomorrow. That trade was for November the 3rd. I went a month out. See these little details you think ain't nothing is everything. A month out means I get at the worst case scenario. Say for instance, I SPY all of a sudden just went up. Remember, I bought puts for it to go down. Say all of a sudden it went all the way up. I still had a whole month for it to turn around and go back in my direction. You know what I'm saying? I gave myself room for mistakes, pitfalls, stop losses everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I've done all these calculations. So, you know what I mean? That's why people think it's just simple, but it's really a lot more to that. Okay? So, again, guys, that's what it is. I appreciate y'all stepping in. I'm Mr. Cozmik, and this is the Cozmik Training Academy, or what we like to call CTA. Man, y'all can check us out on Weebly. You can check me out on Instagram, Cozmik Training Academy, Cozmik Trading Academy. We on TikTok. Man, come down and give us a like if you like this kind of content. Subscribe. We're at the 250 mark. We're trying to get it up to 500. Give us a like if you like it, man. That's all we ask. I appreciate it. And so I can bring you more content just like this. This is what we do, man. I'm motivating y'all players to get y'all money up, man. 2023. Stop playing. I'm in beautiful Japan right now, man. I don't know where I'll be next, man. Y'all see. You know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, you can come see what I'm doing and stuff. You look at Mr. _Cozmik, you'll find me. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it, man. I'll let y'all go. Holler at me if you got any questions. Comment below what you think about this naked calls on SPY options. It's a month out. quick turnaround, $10, $100 for less than 10 minutes, man. Tell me what you think.